Okay, today we'll see how we can transcribe our sequence, right? How we can write subtitles to our video and how we can format it. So I have just opened one video and I want to subtitle it. So first of all, of course, you need to create a sequence for the new project sequence and create a sequence and choose RE camera format 1080 and 30 frame per second. You want to check setting, you can check setting as well and just click OK. So new sequence has been created and I have my video here. So what you need to do, you need to drag your video on the timeline and it will show you your preview here. And if you want to check how the sound is, you can just play and you can just check the sound quality of your video. But if you haven't done the sound quality or you haven't done the work on sound, I will tell you two effects you can use to improve the audio quality. Just go to here and go to effects. All right, in effects, one effect we use in this Premiere in 2022 and denoise effect, right? So just type denoise effect. This effect is used to reduce noise from your video, right? So when you click here and drag over the video, so it will reduce noise automatically. If you want to adjust it, just select the video footage and click effect controls. And here it will show you it has applied the denoise effect. If you want to edit it, you can just add it and you can also choose from here heavy noise reduction or light noise reduction. So it will just reduce the noise. Even then, if you want to improve the quality of the audio, then you will use one more audio effect that is called mastering. And these two effects are in audio effects. Okay, just drag over it and you will see it will be added here. And you can add it, for example, mastering effect, click add it. And from here you can choose like whatever effects you want. Example, if you will play video from here and it will show you the audio as well. And you can choose whatever effects you want to apply. I like that Club Master, and also if it has noise, you can go for reduce it as well. So I will choose, for example, this one. So that effect has been applied. Why we are cleaning the audio? Because it will help you to write a good subtitle for your video. And also I would advise you, if you want to trim your video first, for example, if you want to cut some portion, do it in the beginning before writing your subtitles, because later it will be very difficult to manage it. For example, if you want to trim some portion of the video, for example, if you want to cut some portion, for example, I want from here to here, so you can also cut it in the beginning before just writing your subtitles. You need to cut it, you need to refine your video so that later it will not be difficult for you. So I cut it, then shift delete to delete it, and same, you can cut it, you can refine your sequence, all right, before doing subtitling. Now it's time to subtitle your video. I want to show here. So for that you need to change your workspace. So go to workspace and here you will go captions and graphics workspace. Right now we are using editing workspace. Just click captions and graphics workspace. In this workspace, the additional panel will appear here, that is called essential graphics panel. All right, and here it will show you the editing option as well as you will get this text additional panel as well. So by this text panel we are going to transcribe the sequence, right? So sequence is here. So this is our sequence 1 and all data is here. So I will click transcribe my sequence. So when you click on this button, from here you will choose which language you want to transcribe. I want to transcribe to English language, and also which track you want to select. My audio is on, if you have multiple music audios, then you can choose from here. I will choose, for example, track audio 1, then click transcribe. When you click on transcribe, so automatically it will transcribe your whole sequence. All right, then it will show you the result here. So you can also correct the mistakes if there are mistakes in transcription. All right, let's see, it will take time according to the length of the sequence. All right, so let it transcribe and let's wait for the results. And here we have the results. And here when you will play, it will play here as well. Look,
my name is Sayed,
right? So if you want to correct anything, for example here, the name you want to correct, double click here and you can correct it before creating caption, right? Example same, if you want to do some changes here, you want to change, you can also do some changes, all right? So like that. So click play. So look, it will play as well. So wherever you want to change, you can just stop, you can double click and you can just change. For example, you can correct it, all right? So play again. So wherever, so you will see wherever the mistakes are, you will correct them, all mistakes, by double clicking and just adding them, all right? Once you have done all the correction, all right, then what you will do, you need to click on create captions, all right? Create captions means we are going to create subtitles here. So transcription, they have done the transcription for our sequence. Now we are going to create captions with subtitles. So you need to click here, create captions. When you click on create captions, so it will tell you create from the sequence transcript. Yes. And caption preset, we have default subtitle, format subtitle you will keep, style we don't have, keep it none. Maximum length of the character. Two things here you can select. For example, we have single line, if you want to show single line, and maximum character will come 42. If single line, and also now in trend is single line subtitle, you can go double line as well. If you are doing subtitling for the movie, go for double line. And okay, let's go for double line, then I will come back to single line as well. So click here, create double line, and then it will create a caption that is by default, and you can see the captions are here. So if you want to play, you can play from example here. So the whole video, the captions are coming here, right? If you want to edit these captions, what you will do, you need to select that caption from here and you need to go to the essential graphics and click on edit option. So here you see you can change also the font of selected caption. For example, if you will change, the font will change. You can change the alignment of the caption as well. You can make it caps lock if you want to caps lock, and also you can change its alignment on the artboard as well. Click here, so you can make it done. You can also change position from here, so you can bring it down, you can bring it up as well. Manual setting if you want to do. If you want to change fill color, you can also change fill color from here. Color will change. You want to give stroke, you can give stroke. You can increase the width of the stroke as well. And also if you want to change background, you can give the background as well. All right. For example, I will change this one. I will not give stroke and I will change color to black, white again. All right. Then font also you can change. So now this is setting only for this selected caption. If you will move here, now you will see they all exist. They are the same as previous. So how you can do that? How you can apply the style of this formatting to all? Very easy. You need to select this caption and go here in editing panel, track style. So here you need to click on this arrow, push to track or style. Click here, then it will give you option, push to this formatting style, all captions on track. So click here. Now you will see all captions will be applied, all formatting will be applied to all captions. This is the easy way. How I do, I select all caption at once like this. Then also you can do setting as well. It will works for you if you want to do. All right. Now at the same time you can apply. If you want to decrease and increase length of the caption, you can just decrease and increase the length as well if you want to. And also if you want to add it, you can double click here. Again, you can add it. Some mistakes are there. You can add it in subtitles as well. How I can delete them if you want to do it again. For example, I want to write a single line caption. So right click here and you need to delete track. All right. Then you have to transcribe sequence again. Let's transcribe again, and this time we'll create a single title, single line subtitle. So I will click on transcribe sequence English and click transcribe. So it will take a few seconds and it will transcribe this, because nowadays the trend is to create a single line caption, and you can make it bold, you can change the color of the subtitles, and also you can upload on TikTok, you can upload also on YouTube shorts, and also like any video format you want. So here you have to change, double click if you want to change like this anything. double click and edit that. Then you need to go create caption, and here I will select single line. I will choose maximum character or single line. If you will choose the smallest one, it will create many captions. For example, you need to see which word is the maximum character. For example, marketing, you can 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That is so maximum 10. The largest word in your transcription is. So I'll go, for example, maximum, I'll keep it 15. All right, I know it's a maximum number. Then click create. As you will click create, and you will see many caption it will create. Look at this, and it's very nice, and nowadays it's very trendy, this style. So now I will just click on the alignment, and I will change its size, font size from here. I will make it 10, enter. All right, so 10 is very small. I need to make it 100. All right, so here you can see, and also I can make it 120. All right, and alignment, I will make it a little bit down. All right, from here, so you can bring it down. And also you can give the background color. Right, I will increase its background from here and little bit round corner. Right, and you can make like this. Now if you will play, you will see, and it will just change. Look at this, very nice. All right, same if you want to change the background color, again select all the captions, go in edit panel, and here you can change fill color, even the background color. Go to here and choose the background color, like that it will change. And you can change the opacity also. If you want to work on each and every single subtitle or caption, you need to select it again. All right, this one, then you need to edit it individually. For example, you need to change its color, and its color will change also. Look, here we have red. If you play, then black will come. That's how you can create the engaging subtitles as well if you wanted to. All right, so this is all about the transcription, and also this is all about the captions you can. Now, if you want to export this caption file, then how we can do that? So you will go to file, and here you will choose export, and here you will choose captions. All right, and here you can select the file, which is SRT file, default file, which will save, and you can bring it, or you can upload to any software which supports SRT file. When you click OK, so that file will be saved to your computer location, and click save, that file is saved. So you can use to any platform which support SRT file as well. This caption file will be saved over there. All right, anytime you can use this file. So that's how you can create the engaging captions, all right, for your video and to upload anywhere.